What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, and I'm back today with another video. My voice sounds a little raspy because it is so early in the morning, but I wanted to go ahead and get this haul done. These are all of the items that we purchased from Dollar Tree yesterday. These are school supplies. The kids will be going back to school, so we went to Dollar Tree and picked up some stuff. We also bought some supplies from Walmart, but this is just the stuff that we picked up from Dollar Tree. I actually think that we're missing some stuff, but yeah, from the bags that I see in my eye view, this is everything. I mean, from the bags that I've seen, this is everything. I don't know if my daughter put a bag or whatever in her room, but okay. So we have the Kleenex. Those are for the boys, each one. You know how those supply lists have, they want 10 of this, 5 of this. No, ma'am. You're getting what we're giving you for right now, okay? And then eventually we'll go back and get some more supplies. But usually right now we'll get maybe 2 or 3 of the thing. I mean, like, if they say they need 10 glue sticks, because it was like 10 glue sticks on each one of the boys' lists. No. So we got, let me just go through what we have. We bought Kleenex. Each one of the Kleenexes are for Kleenexes. We have 2 Kleenex boxes. It's 2, so it's for little C and C4. The hand soap is for C4. That was on his list. The Lysol wipes are for their book bags. We went to BJ's and bought the big pack of Lysol wipes that had 5 in those. So these are just for their book bags. The glue sticks, they each have 2 packs each for Moo, C4, and C3. The markers are for C4 and C3. No. C4 and Moo. She had markers on her list. These are her color pencils. These are Moochie's color pencils. One color pencil is for C4. One is for C3. This is Moochie's, her calculator. Her math teacher was like, you just get a little dollar calculator and, you know, she'll be good with that. These are her pencils. You know, these middle schoolers, they want the colorful stuff, so she wanted those pencils. These scissors are for the boys. I bought 2 pencil sharpeners because I thought I didn't put one in the basket for Moo, but I did, so I ended up getting 2, but they're gonna need it anyway, so that's fine. These scissors are for Moo. These pens are for her as well. This is her pencil box. C4 and C3's pencil boxes, and they had earbuds on their list. So she got an earbud, Moochie got an earbud, C4, C3, and I think I bought more earbuds because I know those Dollar Tree earbuds, they go out pretty fast. So I think Channy may have took an earbud and put it somewhere. But yeah, so on C4's list, you know, they have to have C4 and C3's list. They have to have like the Ziploc bags for whatever reason. So they needed gallons, quarts. Well, these are snacks. This is actually for their snacks. They needed gallons, the quarts, and the sandwich size. So I got those. The mechanical pencils are for Moo. They also had dry erase markers on there. And actually the dry erase board that I bought for C4, maybe he took it. Maybe it's in their room. But yeah, they needed dry erase markers, C4 and Moo, highlighters. And Moo got these highlighters. She's, you know, colors and all that type of stuff. She likes that. So she also got these. I've never seen these scented erasers. Yeah, so that's what she wanted. So she got these. The flavors are sparkling strawberry. What is that? orange, amazing apple, blazing blueberry, and groovy grape. Oh, courageous. Is that what you to say? Oh, okay. Cut-rageous orange. I'm like, huh? Okay. Y'all, I'm not slow. And then we have the other erasers for the boys. Channing C4 needs the book, because you know he's kindergarten, so he'll be using these. I bought 2 of these. Yeah, I really think, yeah, like I said, the dry erase board, I bought one of those, but it's not here, so somebody must have took it and put it in their room. But anyway, yeah, you guys, these are the supplies that we bought from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna separate everything, put it in their piles, and put it in their bags, like a like a Walmart bag. So all they have to do, and I'm going to put their names on the bags, not on the supplies, but just on the bags or whatever like that. And yeah, that'll be done. And then gonna go ahead and iron up their clothes. And I was gonna do a haul on the clothes. I still may, but I don't know yet. But anyway, thank you all for your support. We really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching the previous videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bells, because I know you're gonna like it here. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.